Welcome. Today we are leaving this beautiful hotel and heading to Johor Bahru, Malaysia. Before checking out, I spent some time to enjoy the hotel view one last time. Then I realized it was time to pack up since we had already exceeded our checkout time. Thankfully, we requested an extra hour, so let's get ready and leave. We still had some time before our bus to Malaysia, so we decided to visit Little India as we hadn't explored it yet. We took a bus and arrived there. On the way, we saw some beautiful temples. Our goal was to visit the Mustafa Center, a famous market in Singapore known for its affordable prices. People often say you can find everything there at a great price. Sri Srinivasa Perumal Temple. Since we had our backpacks with us, we didn't enter. The temple looked stunning. Walking toward Mustafa Center from the bus stop took some time, but the streets were beautiful and clean, just like the rest of Singapore. When we reached Mustafa Center, we were amazed by its size. You could easily spend an entire day there. However, we were a bit of a rush since our bus stop was quite far, so we didn't spend much time shopping. Feeling hungry, we decided to have lunch. We hadn't tried Singapore's famous Hainanese chicken rice yet, so we looked up a restaurant serving it. We found one called Hainanese chicken rice, but it was a bit far. Still, we wanted to try the dish before leaving Singapore, so we made our way there. On the way, we passed by the Family Justice Courts building. The walk was long. We arrived at the restaurant and ordered our food. I had roasted chicken rice with tofu, while my brother chose boiled chicken rice with tofu. The food smelled amazing and looked delicious. It cost 9.60 Singaporean dollars. 960.
Okay, 40 cents.
Thank you.
Okay, so here, sorry.
Thank you. Thank you so
No
much.
problem.
The Hainanese chicken rice was fantastic, with a spicy sauce that complemented the flavors perfectly. It was my first time trying tofu, and it was so soft and tasty. The chef even asked us how we liked the food and was pleased to know it was our first time having Hainanese chicken rice.
Restaurant no need. Restaurant no free service charge.
He was very friendly. I would definitely recommend his restaurant. After lunch, it was time to head to the bus stop for our trip to Malaysia. The walk was long, and carrying backpacks after lunch was tough. The walk to the metro station was a bit challenging with our backpacks, but we managed. Along the way, we passed some beautiful parks which made the walk more enjoyable. Once we reached the metro station, I stopped recording because I wasn't comfortable filming inside. When we got to the station near the bus stop, I resumed recording. The bus stop was just across the road. Since there was still some time before our bus, we explored the area a bit. Finally, it was time to board the bus. I decided not to record at the border crossing, but we reached the checkpoint at Johor Bahru without any issues.
Buy some
No,
sheep
you,
or something?
you not. You have to go to Kedah.
Kedah.
Kedah. So you have to take a
So
bus
we took a
from
cab.
JB.
The cab driver was kind and gave us some great advice on places to visit and foods to try. And now it's time for our dinner. We ordered rice, duck, and fish. The duck was tasty, but we ordered too much. The fish, however, was incredibly delicious, soft, flavorful, and boneless. That's it for now. Let me finish my dinner and I'll see you in the next video.